Hello friends. Hello. In this session we will learn to find square and square root by formulae method. First, to find the square root of 106. At that time we use the formula a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now we factorize 106 is equal to 100 plus 6. Now we use this formula 100 plus 6 bracket square. Therefore 100 square plus twice a 100 into 6 plus 6 square. Therefore 10,000 plus 1200 plus 36 is equal to 11,236. This is the square of 106 by the use formula a plus b square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now find the square root of 89. At that time we divide it. 89 is equal to 90 minus 1. Therefore we use the formula a minus b bracket square a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we use 90 minus 1 bracket square. Therefore 90 square minus 2 into 90 into 1 plus 1 square is equal to 8100 minus 180 plus 1 is equal to 7921. Therefore the square of 89 is equal to 7921. Now we see find the square root by the factorization method. In this method we will find the factors like prime numbers to find the square root of 1024. Therefore 1024. Now we find the prime numbers. 2 5 are 10, 2 1 are 2 and 2 2 are 4. Now we divide 512 by 2. 2 2 are 4, 2 5 are 14 and 2 6 are 12. Now we divided 2 by 256 by 2. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 8 are 16. Now we divide 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8. Now we divide by 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4. Divide 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now divide by 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4 and 2 1 are 2. Now this is the prime factors of 1020, 1200 and 1024. Now we write this prime factor in this method. Now we do make the groups of 2 2 2 2, therefore 5 groups of 2. Now square root of 1024 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Therefore square root of 1024 is equal to 32. Thank you.